In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Photopea to make precise selections in your images with the Magic Wand tool. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can navigate with ease and confidence. To start, open your preferred web browser and type Photopea into the search bar. Hit Enter and click on the first link that appears, which should direct you to Photopea's homepage. Photopea is a powerful online image editor, remarkably similar to Photoshop, and it's free to use. It's perfect for both novice and experienced users who want to enhance their photos or create stunning visuals without the need for resource-heavy software installations. Once you're on the Photopea homepage, you'll notice a range of familiar tools and options reminiscent of other photo editing programs. Take a moment to explore the interface if you're unfamiliar, but today's focus is on one particular tool: the Magic Wand. This tool is incredibly useful when you want to select and isolate specific areas or objects in your image, especially when they have similar colors. Now direct your attention to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Locate and click on the Magic Wand tool, which might be nested under the Quick Selection tool. The icon resembles a wand with sparkles around it. If you don't see it immediately, click and hold on the Quick Selection tool to reveal the Magic Wand in the pop-up menu. Selecting this tool will allow us to engage directly with parts of the image that we want to modify or work with. Once you have the Magic Wand in hand, click on your photo where you want to make the selection. The Magic Wand is particularly effective with sharply contrasted areas, such as distinct colors or separated objects. When you click on an area, the tool automatically selects pixels of a similar tone and hue based on its tolerance setting. You can adjust this tolerance level in the top menu to refine how strict or lenient your selection criteria are. A lower tolerance will select fewer colors, providing tighter selections, while a higher tolerance will be more inclusive, ideal for softer edges or when you want to include more gradient variations. After making your selection, you're essentially done. From here, you can edit this selected area as needed, be it changing colors, adding effects, or cutting it out entirely. Experiment with the tool and remember that practice leads to perfection with selections. And that's it. You've successfully navigated Photopea's Magic Wand tool. This simple yet powerful tool can transform your editing workflow, making precise selections easier and more efficient. With practice, you'll find yourself using it with greater ease and creativity. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and creating stunning imagery.